What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn the most effective method to create guides from your Windows computer in just a simple few clicks. Imagine the following scenario. You need to write up a guide for a client, for your website, for example, but you only want to record the screen. You don't want to write the full tutorial. The Windows have a tool for it. Go to your Start panel and search for Run, okay? Just like this. Click on it. This window gonna pops up, and this we're gonna type psr, just like this. psr. Then click on Start Recording. You can explore the settings in the case that you want, but the most effective things is already enabled, so click on Start Recording. Just like this. Now, the Windows gonna checks everything you do. For example, I'm gonna open Canva. I'm gonna open this thumbnail. I'm gonna ungroup this link. I'm gonna remove this logo type and remove this thing. Okay? Just this. Now, I'm gonna click on Stop Recording. See what Windows does for me. Recorded setups. Review the recorded setups, review slideshow, and review additional details, okay? As you can see, the Windows did record everything I've done, okay? The sections of the site. And described most of the things I did, including time and what I clicked. Nice, right? It's just a step-by-step full tutorial explaining everything I did into this page, okay? And here is all the options described and with additional details. Nice, right? What else I can do? I can save this to import to my website or not, up to you. And if you repeat the process, you can use also Windows on your keyboard and R to open the run. psr. Just like this. Let's explore a little bit more of the settings. Enable screen capture. And you can browse some uploaded files to check. Nice, right? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!